In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your McDonald's gift card to McDonald's app. Whether you've got a gift card as a present or you've been saving up some balance, I'll walk you through easy steps to add it and use it for your next order. First things first, you need to download McDonald's app. Go to the App Store, or you can also go to simply Google Play and download it. After you've downloaded it, open the McDonald's app, and once you're in the app, navigate to the deal section. Once you're on the deal section, you may be prompted to allow notifications to get the latest offer. Now, to add your gift card, you need to go to the payment section, tap on the three lines and scroll down to payments or add funds. Look for an option to add a gift card or add new payment method. Then after, you can enter the gift card number and PIN. Once you've added the gift card, you should see the balance on your card appear in the app. If the card was successfully added, you'll be now able to use the gift card for future purchases. And that's it. Now you know how to easily add and use a McDonald's gift card in the McDonald's app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.